Hi guys, it's me, it's us, Will and Sai. So we're going to give you some updates on what is happening today.
Hey everybody, it's William. We're on I-80 after almost 24 hours of I-80 being shut down because of high winds and snow, blizzard conditions ahead of us. You can see the road's beautiful here, but we had a place to stay the night and at a Walmart parking lot. Thank you very much, Walmart. Some of them let us stay as big trucks, and some of them just will not. And we use them because I get all our supplies from Walmart. Really appreciate what they do. But anyway, beautiful morning, clear, just a light breeze, and what's 24 degrees. Roads are dry, so we can go pretty good. And as we're doing this video, you'll probably see a couple trucks go by me pretty fast. I'm going 65 miles an hour, which is safe speed. And other people, because the road's just opened, they'll go flying by. Oh, I'm late, so I got to get there. Yeah, but to put themselves and their other trucks in jeopardy because they got to get there. They're already late. Everyone knows they're late.
Yeah.
Just get there as soon as you can, safely.
Yes.
And they use the term "get there as soon as you can," but they forget the word "safely" in there. But that's not us. And that's not what we do. We're gonna go as quick as we can, and as conditions warrant, we'll change our speeds and so forth. But everyone's bunched up here, and that's why we try to stay at one speed instead of others, up and down, fast and slow, like a lot of these other trucks do. And the cars, they never don't have any respect for most trucks.
Yes.
So it's makes it hard, and you really got to learn and know how to drive in these conditions. And it's beautiful, dry weather, 24 degrees, but conditions of other drivers and not being
The behavior,
as safe
driving
as,
behavior of the drivers.
the behavior of other drivers. So we're just going to cruise and keep going down the road, and hopefully we'll get to our destination today. If not, tomorrow, because we're carrying beer, and it's beer 30 somewhere, but it's not beer 30 where we're at. We still got the beer. Anyway, Sai's going to tell you some stuff, and we appreciate you watching, viewing along, and subscribe if you would.
Yes.
If you like what we do.
Yes,
and,
please.
and of course, yes, please. Sai's amazingly happy about the subscriptions. We're up to 60 now.
65.
65. Ooh.
3
And
weeks.
the thing is, in 3 weeks, he's real happy about that, and I am too. We love people that'll follow us. If you have questions, why do we do what we do? How do we do what we do? We'd be happy to answer them directly back to you. And we have, such a small amount of subscribers that we can definitely get to everybody if everyone just has a question. So anyway, see that guy's going fast. He's going 75. He's got to be there, and he doesn't. But, oh well. So anyway, just back to Sai. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much. Oh, that was a great information, but
Thank you.
so yeah, we're heading to our destination today, guys, and it is a really great day for us. 2020, yeehaw, 2020. So I think all of us are really up to what will be this year bring us. But one thing is for sure, guys, as long as we work together, set our goals in our life, we will gonna reach it. Because even though you will go to a pharmacy, to a fortune teller, and they're gonna tell you that you have a great 2020, you're going to have a house, but then you don't work for your dream, so it's gonna be a dream forever. So that's all we can say for now, guys, and thank you so much. I am greatly happy for the additional subscribers. Thank you so much. And we would like to create a lot of video for you soon. Thank you so much. Bye!